lot of time. A lot of things have happened that have delayed His Excellency. And so he couldn't come early. So now, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to raise the hand of Mr. Peter Obi and Dati Ahmed, presenting them to Nigeria, so that you know that these are the people we are endorsing.
When Labour Party done the rule, Nigeria go better. When Labour Party done the rule, I want you to listen to me. I want you to listen to me. Let me start by apologizing. Let me start by apologizing to you that we came in late. We were delayed in Abuja. So we apologize. Next time we will not come late. We assure you. What we are about to tell you here is that 2023 is nobody's turn, it's your turn. It's your turn to take back Nigeria. As we start campaign today, I want you to put Nigeria in prayers. I want you to pray for peaceful election. I want you to pray for free and fair election. I want you to pray for progress of this our country. The suffering is too much. We can't continue this way. The people coming to campaign, all those people who are coming to campaign, they want to share you money. The money they are giving to you is why you're hungry. That is for your money. That is why there's no job. That is why there's no food. That is why there's no security. That is why there's no school. We are begging you. We are begging you. We want to stop hunger in Nigeria. We want to stop hunger in Nigeria. We want to create job for the youth. We want to stop people stealing public money. They will tell you the same story. But when they tell you, ask them, where did they get the money they are sharing? Where did they get the money they are using to come and oppress you? It is your money. And we want to stop it. We want Nigerians to be happy. We want everybody here, especially you, the youth. This government is for you. It is for us to say them out of poverty. We want the Nigerians to have electricity. Do not listen to those people. For 24 years, all they've done is to increase poverty in Nigeria. That is the achievement. Our children are not in school. 20 million. They don't want to say anything because their children are going to school abroad. My children are said any day they were born there, I lived there, I came back here to live for your sake. So anybody who tells you Peter's children, yes, they live there, they went to school there, I didn't use public money. Go and verify where I went to school in Njenje. I was governor in Eendears State. I was governor in Eendears State for 8 years. You can go there and verify whether I stole their money. She's from Eendears State, she's verifying it. We want to use the money of Nigeria to rebuild all the states of Nigeria. We want the youth, all the youth are asking for. They are not asking for anything. All they want is opportunity to earn a living. We will give you opportunity to earn a living. We will make sure Nigeria is secured. We will provide security so farmers can go back to farm, so more food can be produced. In the whole of the north, there's vast land in which we can use to produce food for Nigeria and for export. All the places that are factory, just here, can produce all the chips we eat in Nigeria. We want to make sure all the potatoes are produced here and turned into chips. We want to make sure that in Niger State, we can produce all the rice and yam that we need. We want to produce yam in Benue. We want to do that every other part of Nigeria. Our farmers must go back to farm and we will support them. We are committed to it. Our people must go back to school. That is an educationist. The old school university. Those people don't value education. They don't value education at all. That's why university students are home for 8 months. They don't care. Instead, they'll tell you they want to continue where they stopped. Where will they continue? Are we going to die? They want to continue where we stop. When we haven't eaten, no food in the morning, no food in the afternoon. He said you want to continue. Are we going to die of hunger? So what do they want to continue with? The other one said they want to come back and start where they stop. Where they stop, was it good? We want a new Nigeria. New Nigeria will be provided by labor. It will be provided by Peter Obi and Dati. I want you to hold us. In conclusion, today, all of you have phone. I want you to take this. Hold me, hold Dati responsible. Hold us responsible for security. We are not going to give you excuse. We are not going to give you excuse. Hold us responsible. Hold us responsible for your employment. Hold us responsible for your future. Hold us responsible for everything. We are not going to give you excuse. This is not going to be government of excuse. It is government of action. It is government of action. It is government of action. You will see it. It will happen. You will be proud to be a Nigerian. We will do everything possible to make sure Nigerians are happy in Nigeria. Because things will be working. We're not going to tell you, oh, we can't supply light. No, there's nothing in generating power. Every other country of the world is doing it, except Nigeria. Everything in Nigeria is excuse. We don't want to excuse again. Blame. We don't want blame again. What we want is action. Thank you and God bless you. This man is a governor for Plateau State. Chief Deputy Governor, Senior Advocate. This one is a medical doctor, Senior Advocate. No other people have this combination. Medical doctor, Senior Advocate. No other people have this combination. Just like you have me here, a businessman, web creator, and that's educationist of the university. The other people, they don't have business. Thank you and God bless you. When Labour Party done the rule, when Labour Party done the rule, Nigeria go better. When Labour Party done the rule. Thank you and God bless you.
Great Nigerian student! Great Nigerian student! Idan nace labor sai ku ce progress labor. Idan nace obi sai ku ce dati obi.
La 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 la.